Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S70, and today I will show you how to boot the device into the bootloader mode. And to get started, you will want to hold power key. From there, select power off and wait for the device to shut down. And once that has happened, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. As you can see, you will see the Doogee logo on the screen. Keep holding those keys, and next thing we should see there we go. So for some reason it didn't want to boot into it right off the get-go. Now let me see if I can make it go closer just so you can see the options right here. So we do have recovery mode, we have fast boot mode, and we have normal boot. And you navigate through these options, those three tiny options, using volume up only. So as you will see, pressing volume up makes that arrow go up and down, or just down to be honest. And you will then confirm whatever selection you have with volume down and up to navigate. And just quickly going over those, we have recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot. So if you want to leave this mode, you will select the last option, which is normal boot, volume down, and this will initiate a reboot of the device and take us back to the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.